you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
So what's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys some secret settings on every Android smartphone. Every Android smartphone, they come with different developer settings that I'm going to be showing you guys later on in this video. So before we get into the video, please tap on the subscribe button and also like the video. So let's get into the video. So first of all, when we get into your settings, go direct to the bottom setting, that's tap on about phone. After tapping on about phone, you see this, the system, the status, device info, all you need to know about your Android device. So right now we go down to build number. When you tap on build number several times, then it's going to tell you that you are now a developer. But I'm already a developer because I've done this before. So you just go a step back, then you'll see a new option will appear, that's the developer option. You have to be very careful with this developer option because there are lots of settings in here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your phone run faster or slower with this developer option, and also how to show touches. So let's go down. We scroll gently down. This is the show taps, so you can know where you tap on the screen. So now this is the animation scale. It shows you how your phone runs your animation. So right now it's off. You make it run faster, no animation when you're switching between apps. But when you turn up the animation scale up to five times these three animation scale, the phone appears slower, just like that. Well, if you want your phone to run faster, you will increase the animation scale. You turn it off, then no more animation switching through apps. Very easy, very fast. So that's all for now. Later I'm going to be posting some other videos on how to use other settings. So subscribe, tap on the bell icon, and also go through the channel because I'm going to be posting how to use most of these settings, most of them. So that's all for now.